In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dictation in Word. If you want to create text more quickly without typing everything by hand, the dictation feature in Word can be a really helpful tool. It lets you speak out loud and have your words turned into text directly in your document. This is especially useful for drafting ideas, taking notes, or writing when you want a fast, more hands-free workflow. To get started, open your Word document and look toward the top of the screen for the main toolbar. The first thing you'll want to do is click on Home. This takes you to the section where many of Word's most commonly used tools are located, including formatting options, clipboard tools, and the dictation feature. If you're already on the Home tab, that's perfect. You're ready for the next step. Once you're in Home, find and click on Dictate. This button is usually represented with a microphone icon, which makes it easy to spot. When you select it, Word activates voice input so it can begin listening to what you say. At that point, you can start speaking clearly and naturally, and your words should begin appearing in the document. As you use dictation, it helps to speak at a steady pace and pronounce your words clearly for the best accuracy. Make sure your microphone is working properly and that you're in a relatively quiet environment, since background noise can affect how well Word understands your speech. If the feature doesn't seem to respond right away, give it a moment to activate after clicking the button. Another helpful tip is to keep an eye on the Dictate button while speaking. In many versions of Word, it visually indicates when it's actively listening. That can help you know whether your speech is being captured before you continue with longer sentences. This feature is a great option when you want to get thoughts onto the page quickly. And once your text appears, you can always go back and edit, format, or reorganize it, just like any other content in Word. It's a simple tool, but it can make a big difference in speed and convenience. That's all it takes to start using dictation in Word. Click on Home, select Dictate, and begin speaking your document into place. With a little practice, this can become a fast and easy part of your